So these are very, very real pressures that come with being Gen X, and they all need to be, and they deserve to be acknowledged. And so here's something that I want you to challenge when you become aware of this, if you're suffering like so many Gen X are. There's a cultural narrative that goes around Generation X that basically tries to frame it as a logistical problem. So it tells us if we get better at time management, we set clearer boundaries, we ask for help, then all of these problems go away. And those techniques, those coping mechanisms are important, but they miss out something fundamental. The anxiety you're feeling isn't a scheduling problem. It isn't a skill problem. It's a nervous system problem. So when you've spent years in that chronic mental state of demand, when you're always available, you're always responsible, you're always alert to the needs of other people, your nervous system learns to stay switched on in that low level of threat. It's always looking out for what's next, who's going to need me next. And even when nothing serious or acute is happening, you're still sitting there quietly, like a coiled spring, ready to leap into action. And that's what makes you wake up in the middle of the night for no apparent reason. That's what makes you irritable without any real cause that you can identify. And that's what stops the exhaustion from lifting, even when you've had a good night's sleep or you manage to get a restful weekend in before you go back to work. Your nervous system has forgotten what it feels like to feel safe.